Hey everyone, I've been doing a few upgrades today to our underground system that we had from the last couple of episodes. So if I get into a level here, and we've just bugged out and ended up off the world, but that's okay. Let's just run back in here. So this is where we're supposed to spawn, and you can see that we now have a bunch of random structures forming underground. When I say structures, I mean like these hollowed out areas. So basically I have an algorithm come through and make a bunch of random geometric shapes like circles and rectangles and lines and stuff. And then it goes through and finds a bunch of random locations in the world and like passes over the world and overlays these different sort of hollowed out areas. And then through like a number of iterations, you end up with kind of more interesting structures like this one here. It was obviously like started out with a circle and then put a line in top. And then we ended up with another smaller circle forming over here on the side. And this looks like a square that might have been cut out the bottom here. And as we go down, you get kind of different structures forming. And you get less and less structures the further down you go. So if we end up all the way down at the bottom, it shouldn't take too long. Well, you might notice already there's kind of less and smaller cavities and voids to be seen. Yeah. I don't know if you saw at the top, I should have mentioned when we were up there, there's a new tile type as well, which is a boulder. And eventually, when I say eventually, maybe in a couple of days, that is going to have gravity on it. So if you have a boulder above you, for example, like if I was in this gap here, just quickly turn off this stat bar, and say there's a boulder in that tile that I just mined, or a boulder above that tile, then the boulder will fall down and damage your player or anything that's underneath it. So that'll be kind of a cool thing to have, I think. Anyway, that's all for today, guys. So I hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you in the next update.